Some more gratuitous shots for the algo. Boom. Alright, what's up YouTube? So I bought this. We're gonna use this to snake into the cylinder, the spark plug cylinder head. So I got this off Amazon. There's gonna be a link in the description. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. And this the package it comes in. It's a little box. A manual. Hopefully I don't need a I would need an app. That's fine. So we'll just QR code the app. Comes with some Alright y'all, sorry. I apologize for talking over the video. There will be no links yet to the products just because I haven't made my affiliate thing yet. Well, I did, but I gotta remake it, I guess. And but when I do, I'll put the links in there. You know, just trying to make just trying to make some money so I can do these kind of videos for all of y'all. Thank you for watching, and just listen to me ramble on about the DIN project here. But yeah, I will review these in a later video, and I'll put links in there once I make my affiliates. So thank you for watching. Please continue watching. Can you even see anything in there? Little mirror and some, I have no idea, some stuff, and lightning adapter, which is what I will be using. Just gonna plug this in like that, and I'll use it on my iPhone. Here is the thingamajig, and it looks like semi-rigid. That's what the description says. So not too bad. I mean, if you wanted the one that can like hook like that, that's running you about $70–80. And the thing is, like, don't know if I'll be wasting my money or not buying that. But I just got something cheap so I can look down the cylinder hole there, spark plug hole, and I'll show you guys how bad we'll do some before and after, and I'll show you how bad what's that thing? The carbon buildup is on the piston head. So just to show you the guys and gals, race guys, race ladies, the tools I'll be using for this project here. Be using this, the little endoscope, that's what it's called, a plunger. Now I'll link all this in eBay. Now this came with this. Came in a little box, and then we got this tubing, and we have this. I'm contemplating whether to use Berryman or seafoam. You guys let me know what I should use. The plan is we're gonna soak the piston head with either Berryman or seafoam. I got to do my research for like an hour, and then we will take this, and then we'll suck out the fluid. And then, if this is too short, we'll just attach this hose to this and just suck it out like that. I was thinking about a vacuum cleaner, but I'm not sure how safe that is. So we're just going to do it with a plunger. Suck out as much as I can, and then, yeah, we'll see before and after. We're going to do it 3 times, so we're going to soak it for an hour. Suck everything out. Soak it again for another hour. Suck everything out. Soak it again for another hour. And suck everything out. And hopefully that will get rid of a lot of the carbon buildup, and hopefully the car will be a lot better. And then after I do that soaking, what I am going to do after that is I'm going to I'll probably run some seafoam through it and do the you know, what the heck? Probably run the seafoam through it and run it at 2,000 RPM. I think that's what the suggestion is. Run the seafoam through the air intake and just run it at 2,000 RPM. Let it burn off all those broken up carbon deposits, and hopefully it will look a whole lot better than what it is now. Because, folks, when you see it, you're going to be like, my gosh, it's a swamp down there. Because that's what it looked like when I saw it. So these are the tools I'll be using. I'll link everything in the description. And also, look at my other channel where I will actually review these products, you know, because this is just a quick look at them. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for the next do it myself project. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.